case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
When racial discrimination brought one employee, Booker, to file a lawsuit against his employer under the D.C. Human Rights Act, it placed focus on an arbitration agreement's potential infringement on a claimant's substantive legal rights. The lawsuit, officially known as Booker v. Robert Half International, Inc., was heard during 2005 in the United States Court of Appeals for the District of Columbia Circuit. Booker had an arbitration agreement with his employer, limiting some of his rights under the Act, which led to a complex legal predicament. The court was tasked with deciding whether it should enforce the agreement as is, or sever any offending provision and mandate arbitration as per the remainder of the agreement. Notably, the agreement contained a severe provision barring punitive damages, a restriction deemed unenforceable by the court. Choosing to respect the agreement's express severability clause and the established federal policy favoring arbitration, the court elected the route of severance. Despite the unenforceability of the punitive damages prohibition, the body of the agreement remained intact and valid. Significantly, the parties themselves had agreed to endorse any necessary excisions to eliminate unreasonable, invalid provisions. Booker's concerns about the limits on discovery within the arbitration clause were deemed unfounded. The burden of proof rested with Booker to substantiate claims of the agreement's unsuitability for arbitration, a charge he failed to support convincingly. Consequently, the appellate court upheld the district court's judgment confirming the enforceability of the arbitration agreement. The severance of the punitive damages provision stood, as did the support for the agreement's remaining enforceable provisions in this landmark case on arbitration agreements.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.